Hey guys, fishing and stuff. Today, we're gonna refurbish some reels. We're gonna take these and make them look like these right after this. My wife's a heck of a fisherman. She fishes for everything just like I do, and she usually outfishes me. So I was wanting to get her some new reels, but I started thinking, why don't I just make her some? I mean, I got reels laying around everywhere. Reels and more reels. I got old reels laying up on the shelf. I got new reels. And I really like the older stuff because it seems to last longer. So I had two 6500 C3s, and I decided why not just refurbish them. So I disassembled them. Get you something to put all your parts into so you don't get stuff mixed up. Then I got some 300 grit sandpaper and some Scotch-Brite and some steel wool. These reels were very scratched up, so I had to do a lot of sanding to them. After I sanded them, I cleaned them with acetone and taped up what needed to be taped. I decided to paint them plum crazy, which is a Chrysler color. I used an acrylic enamel that I bought from an automotive paint store. And a miniature touch-up gun I got from Harbor Freight for somewhere around 20 bucks. It worked pretty good, a lot better than I thought it would. If you're not a great painter like me, just turn it down where a lot of paint can't come out and take your time. I made me a little makeshift paint booth, kind of disposable, at a foam board from Walmart. I think it was 88 cents a sheet, and I needed 5 sheets of it, so less than $5. Now, something you can do if you don't want to buy a spray gun and you don't know much about it. You're thinking, well, I can't do this, but you can. You can go to a paint automotive store and ask for a spray bomb. It's where they put the hardener and the paint in a can and you puncture the bottom. It releases the hardener, you shake it up and use it, and it's real automotive paint. And it's real automotive paint. It's not like Krylon or something where it's gonna not harden enough and chip off real easy. After I painted them, it took about 8 hours to dry, and I assembled them. If I wasn't making a video, I would have let them dry a little bit longer, maybe even buff them. But they turned out pretty good. Here's some close-ups of what they look like when I got through painting them. And here's some close-ups of what they look like before I painted them. They were pretty scratched up. So if you want some new reels and you got some old ones, you don't necessarily have to buy new ones. You can just refurbish the ones you already have. Hey guys, if you're interested in DIYs and fishing videos, click subscribe and click that bell notification so you'll know when I post the next video.